Right, I'm just going to go in with the root pass for this. You can see how I've set it up with these three pieces of angle just cramped on, and that's just squeezed in there into the right place. I've got about a 2mm root gap, perhaps not quite that much. Are you snoozing? Shall we go for a walk to the park? You want to go for a walk to the park? Come on then. Okay, so I've done all the way around on my root pass, as you can see. So I'm just going to, while it's still pretty hot, I'm just going to fill it up, do fill passes or pop passes, whatever you want to call them. More passes to go on this yet, but it's really hot. I don't want to get it too hot. I mean, probably doesn't matter, but I'll let it cool down for a bit. So I've got this very heavy piece of 316. This is 80 316 stainless, which I'm going to start to make the hull penetrators. So I'm not going to go there. I'm just resting it there. So I'm going to cut 100mm off here and start machining this down. Yeah, it's taking ages to do this. Been at it all day. And it's really sunny. Should be out on the boat. I'm just going to cut about 110mm off this, just because in case the blade goes off at a funny angle, and I'm not sure if this is how straight this is. This is going to take forever to cut through this. I'll time it. Finished. I just heard it click off. That's taken what, 45 minutes. Poor little saw's not really designed for that sort of job. Still, I did it. So another day of not feeling as if I've achieved that much. That's kind of, I'll probably need another at least one, maybe two passes. I did put up this cupboard of exceptionally dubious quality. Look at it. Hopeless.
So I've decided to go with this penetrator type. It's one that I'm familiar with. Should be fairly straightforward to make. The difficult bit is let's just show, making the actual body of it, because as you can see I've got some fairly hefty bores to cut out of there, but it still should be all right. And then there's the Del Rin and the brass penetrator themselves. I've just beefed those up a bit to 10mm at the top, just because I was a little bit worried about them not being big enough to carry the current. And this is how they actually fit into the hull. They just welded into the battery pod like that, and then welded correspondingly into the hull to bring the power through. That's how I did it on Jodie B, except I actually had 2 of these with only a single penetrator in each one. I think this will be neater.